Welcome to a quick Geometry Nodes tutorial. In this video I will show you an easy way how to make a seamless loop noise with Geometry Nodes. I will build a small setup to show you how to approach the task. I create a big grid to instance a lot of cubes on it. I control the z-scale of the instanced cubes with a noise pattern. I make the noise pretty soft to see it well. So for the loop noise you have to make sure that the noise sample area where Blender reads the noise data is rotating, because then the sample area is at the same spot at 360 degrees, and that's where the animation resets with the same noise pattern. So we add a vector rotate and a position node. When we rotate now along the z-axis, for example, the whole pattern rotates around itself. Now we need a bit more frames for an enjoyable speed. Then go to the first frame and keyframe the rotation at 0 degrees. Then go to one frame right behind the last frame, in my case 401, and keyframe the rotation at 360 degrees. We have to change the graph of the animation because we need a linear animation. So go to the graph editor, select the graph and press T to open the interpolation menu. Then select linear. Now the animation is seamlessly looped. But it's only spinning. Most of the time we don't want such a pattern. We can change that if we move the sample area further away from the rotation center. You can do that with a center slider in the vector rotate node. The animation then looks less rotary, but gets faster. You can tweak the value a bit to find a fitting spot for you. You can increase the animation frames even more if it's still too fast, or make a time stretch in Blender. And we are finished. With this setup you can easily build a lot of different noise patterns in your GeoNode tree. Have fun being noisy and see you soon.